Yes, get ready for the legal dictation containing 550 words at the speed of 110 words per minute. Let's start. 3 seconds. Start. In this part of the Constitution, the definition is the unless context which requires otherwise and includes the state's government and parliament of India and the legislature with the government of every state and every local or other authorities within India territory under the control of the Indian government. The control of the government was not necessarily in the body that must be under the directions of absolute government, and this states under Article 12. It merely means that the government must have some form of control over the functioning of the body. The statutory body does not mean that it was state just because of the context of the body. The following components were the state, the government of India, or the central government and the Parliament of India, that is, the houses of Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha in Article 12 of the Indian Constitution. Local authorities like municipalities, panchayat, port, trusts, etc. No person shall be deprived of his life as per the protection of life and personal liberty except the procedure was established according to the law. The phraseology of Article 21 was a negative word, but this word has not been used to the deprived word. The fundamental right under Article 21 has the object which prevents the encroachment on personal liberty and life was deprived according to the procedure which was established by the law. The fundamental right means that the right has been provided against the state only. The act of the private individual was encroached by the amount of personal liberty or life of some other person would deprive. The violation did not fall under the set parameters of Article 21. The remedy for the aggrieved person in such cases would be either under Article 226 of the Constitution or under the general law. The state infringes the private individual in the act of personal liberty or another person's life, and this act certainly came under the ambit of Article 21. The dealing of Article 21 with the prevention of encroachment upon personal liberty. Restricted sense cannot be defined under the state. Department of governments, legislatures, administrations, exercising of local authorities, powers of statutory bodies, and so on were included, but this excludes the non-statutory or private bodies that have no power of the statutory body. The fundamental rights were guaranteed under Article 21, which relates the only acts of state or the acts under the state authority, not according to the established procedure of the law. Deprived life of a person or personal liberty by the state, which was established by the law, was the main object to be followed strictly under Article 21. The petitioner argued regarding the name India was the derivation from the Greek word indica and said that the exclusion of India was sort of change in the name. On Wednesday, the Supreme Court refused to entertain the filed petition regarding the change of name from India to Bharat with the representation and allowing it to be treated as the concerned union ministries. S.A. Bobde, the bench of Chief Justice of India with Justice A.S. Bopanna and Harshikesh Roy were asked by the petitioner's counsel what was the reason for approaching the court when the Constitution of India says that India can also be called Bharat. Stop over.